Okay, hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm cringy now because, yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna do on making the classic dot design, paper airplane and stuff. I'm hoping it turns out good. And just to let you know, I will be pointing out some tips and tricks to make it fly, but I only have like a couple and stuff. So yeah, so this is the one that we're gonna be using. I got another piece of paper right here, and I'm gonna copy off of this one. And you can also take these and flap these like this way, so it looks like. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna do it when we get done with the process. If I can pick this paper up, okay, good. So it doesn't have to be perfect. You can pin it. Like, you can literally do this over and over again until you get it right. And the fun part about doing this is basically just like folding and stuff. And I bet you've seen a bunch of other videos like this. And then you're gonna wanna fold it till it looks like a mountain. So it's like a book. And then you're gonna wanna fold it. You're not gonna wanna fold it like this. You're gonna wanna turn it over and fold it like this so it's like upwards. And then you're gonna wanna fold it so it stops. And then you're gonna wanna fold. And it will get harder once you start folding it more and stuff. So and yes, you can cut your tip off, and I just fold it the wrong way. Well, I did this the wrong way. So we're gonna fold it till the flaps are like that. Then you're gonna take this piece, and this is part where it starts to get hard to fold. Well, to some people it's not hard to fold, like me. And you're gonna wanna make sure it doesn't go like that. You're really gonna wanna make sure it just stays just like that. And if you guys are beginners out there, this video is good for you guys to watch. And you guys might want to cut the tip off because it will hurt someone. It might poke their eye out. So you're definitely gonna want to cut the tip off. But you don't have to if you don't want to. But I highly recommend you to do that so you don't get hurt or you don't hurt someone. Because if I hurt someone in my family, I would not like that at all. Yes, I know this might not be the best paper airplane, but at least it's a start for some people. Then the last step, you're gonna want to fold it to like that. And then once you're done, like once you fold that side, it should look like that. You're gonna turn it around, and you can do the same thing on the other side. So it should turn out just like this. And then, like I said, I will do tips and tricks and stuff. And it should look like this. And I kind of messed up right here doing that, but that's okay because it still flies really well. And in the part where it starts to get tricky is when you like fold like the part over. And now we have two replicas, but I'm still not done with the video. And so also what you can do, like I said with the tips, you can also fold this part to where it looks like that. And so it looks like this, and you can fold it so it does look like this. and you can make it look like that, and it looks quite cool, and you just over and over and over so you get it right. And I made about 20 paper airplanes, and not like these, like you saw in the video. Like you saw in the video, my sister just pointed to the other ones over there, but that's not the kind, because I will show you in, I don't know, I'm just gonna show you right now. And it is very quick to make these ones. Cause how I first started making paper airplanes is I first saw my mom make a paper airplane, and so now I knew how to make. And I'm gonna run downstairs, literally jump down the stairs, get this paper, run up here. I'm gonna show you guys how to make the regular one, how you guys might already know how to make. And yeah, what?
Wrap it up.
Okay, so I will show you that in the next video. And as we go through, I'll try so my best to actually go from step 1, like easiest, like easy to easy to normal. Hacker. If you guys watch like those Fortnite YouTube videos where it goes noob, pro, and hacker, and I'm gonna show you guys like hacker and then advanced. So I hope you guys had a really good day, and I hope that bit is all on your face, and good